Testing. Hi guys, today we're gonna be playing Build a Boat for Treasure, but it can only use glitches. And these are the free glitches, so let's see which one should I choose first. The goal of this video is to make it to the end. Okay, and let's see, and I got the seat glitch. Let's do this. Whoa, what? I might actually make it to the end, but I don't think that will work. Ouch, 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 ouch. Man! No, please. I want to make it to the end. Wait, I can just... Pretty sure this is it. Okay. Yeah, this might take some time. Never mind, I couldn't make it. Okay. Let's see whoa, this is my favorite. Okay, that's a slow then.
So then we'd have met somewhere. Like that.
Don't ask.
And now people
to build this,
what will the next 1 hour you're trying to find
build this.
Tungesema kama ni kumit hapo Gatito, we all meet at Gatito. To meet kwa sijui Java. There's a Java in hapo ukiingia hivyo share. Kila mtu meet hapo Java. Matupatane hapo.
Down. Use any seat you want. Just go to just go in there. Just in case.
Karibu sana. Me kwanza more grace to you because what are those?
Anyway,
people are difficult.
We need this tool. Now we aren't gonna turn it invisible. We're gonna put it and anchor it. This is 100% gonna make it to the end. This might be a short video.
Imagine. But
I
anyway,
thought I was gonna die
people,
on that part.
people have their own, we are helped differently.
No, I forgot about this part. Well, at least. No, I should have jetpack. But luckily, I'm still in building mode. Okay, I can't really build right now. I'll go back and see.
Okay, thank you very much.
And I couldn't make it. But let's try it again.
Wow.
I just got some coins.
Feel. I go preach to myself.
40 gold. That's nice. Let's do this again.
Because what are those now?
What? So take that.
They posted here 4 hours, somebody 3 hours. 3/4 of the time ni mimi huko ninaongea tu. Hata nyinyi achana juu.
Let's try this again.
From next year
I'll be back.
Venye tunafanyanga dikilango wako.
Just come here. I'll not be
So
holding
next year
anything.
mjitayarishe. Tunaanza, we are starting
Oh,
the
this is gonna
Bible
be bad.
study with a bang. Tuesday.
Ouch. At least I'm gonna make it. And now,
Like I said, we are helped differently. Unamsikianga akiongea siku hizi sana sana.
yep, this might actually be the end of a video.
So we are helped very differently. Tuna agree tu, wewe ukisikia birthday niko hapo, wewe unafanya because other people will not get that birthday.
Wait, no.
Because unaona sasa nilienda home maybe January. But I'm very keen on it, by the way, very keen on hata kama ni twice a month. I also want to have, you're the one who knows. We can do something together, we can plan something together, and you know it's sure. Sasa juu umesema hivyo
Finally. Yes. So yeah. This is the end of the video. So bye bye guys. Make sure to like and subscribe this video. All notifications. You know, a fun video needs a fun break, so see ya.